Hi there! Today's video is about the definite article the. It's almost time to leave. I'm meeting my friend for dinner at a restaurant near my apartment. Let me check their menu. Now, what should I have? Let's see. What am I in the mood for? A chicken dish? A beef dish? A fish dish? I think I'll order the chicken dish, and it comes with soup or a salad. I guess I'll have the salad. Look at these sentences. I'm in the mood for a chicken dish. I'll order the chicken dish. It comes with soup or a salad. I'll have the salad. These examples show two ways to use the definite article the. We use the with different kinds of nouns to talk about something the second time. For example, I ordered a hamburger. The hamburger was delicious. We ordered 2 salads. The salads were delicious. For dessert, I had cake. The cake was delicious. We also use the to talk about a specific choice. For example, would you like dessert? Yes, I'll have the chocolate ice cream. Dessert is general. Chocolate ice cream is specific.